Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a cozy cafe favorite right at home, the caramel brûlée latte. Today we're making a coswoon fashion they best coffee shops and 90cas, persivnist. Is in overium spimani mondelome. Yerimums% coffeteo. Isirs the complex. This drink is rich, creamy, and packed with buttery caramel flavor, topped with a sweet caramelized sugar finish. It tastes like a dessert in a cup and is perfect for chilly mornings or whenever you want a luxurious coffee treat. Ingredients: 1 shots espresso or U-cup strong brewed coffee, U-cup milk, whole milk, oat milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoons caramel sauce, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, your teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon whipped cream. Your teaspoon granulated sugar for the brulee. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee and set it aside. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, warm the milk until it begins to steam but not boil. Whisk gently to create a light foam. Stir in the caramel sauce, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, mixing until the caramel fully melts into the milk. Pour the hot espresso into a large mug, then slowly add the warm caramel milk mixture. Stir gently to combine the flavors. For the signature brulee topping, add a small layer of whipped cream to the top of the latte. Sprinkle the granulated sugar evenly over the whipped cream. Using a kitchen torch, carefully caramelize the sugar until it forms a golden, crisp layer. If you don't have a torch, you can skip this step or simply sprinkle extra caramel drizzle on top. The result is a warm, creamy caramel brûlée latte with deep caramel flavor and a deliciously sweet topping that makes every sip feel like a cafe-style dessert drink. And that's how you make a delicious caramel brûlée latte at home. It's creamy, sweet, and full of rich caramel flavor with that irresistible brûlée topping. One fukkerwoman in menjak or norwak and one badapakshakawe common. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more cozy coffee recipes, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tasty drink. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.